Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anar's very own, but you can call me Anar for short, and welcome back to my channel. So today me and my friends decided to play some Gang Beasts, and we had a lot of fun doing it. And we're probably going to do a lot more content in this, so if you guys enjoy this, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And thank you all very much for the 1600 subscribers. I can't thank you all enough. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the video.
What the fuck? Oh shit.
I hope you get hit by a train. Oh, that was great. Y'all are fucks. Oh.
Oh. No!
Alpha!
Oh yeah!
Oh. Mimo's just trying to.
Oh my god, there's a shark! No, the shark's gonna kill me. And I fucking drowned. I'm fucking drowning. I drowned.
Oh.
No! No! I'm not being shot now! No!
Oh no! No! Yeah, boy! Look at me. I am the captain now. Oh, of course me and Alpha are in here.
Yeah, safe.
Come on, we can do it! Aww!
Yay! Oh.
No yeeting! Oh, no! Yes, yes, this is our time! No, no! Release me, human! No!
Oh! Mimo, don't. Oh no! Shit! Mimo! No!
Yes.
No!
Whoa, what the fuck?
Oh no!
Get out of my elevator.
No! Oh yeah! Oh no! Get out, Mimo!
What? What?
Get head-butted, bitch! Oh!
Fuck. No, pick him up, you dumb trolls.
Yeah!
Wake up!
No!
Oh, let go!
The tail's gonna drop!
Let go!
Mimo!
Let go!
Well, this is quite the predicament we've got ourselves into here.
I'm shaking.
I am not letting go. I'm trying to shake you off.
Let go!
I am not letting go. No! No, that. Oh, that shouldn't. Nah.
Yeah, this is my ride.
Oh! No!
Oh,
really
he
like
knocked me. Hey, Mimo.
Yeah.
I'm coming for you.
Oh!
You can't get me up here.
Wanna make a bet?
At the right stopped. You can't get me. You can't get me. Well, maybe my curiosity
Actually,
will.
you know what?
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Whee! Uh-oh.
Come down, Mimo.
What? What are you... Oh! What the f... What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Why did it just drop out all of a sudden? I'm drowning. That's bullshit!
I want the ice map.
I
You wanna
don't.
see something funny?
I personally don't.
What's that?
Hey Brandon, hang on to this.
On the what? Oh.
Oh, fuck. Hang on to the little wires and start jumping.
Uh-oh.
Mimo?
Oh.
Oh, I see you down there. Oh.
Yeah, boy, I'm in a safe place now. You can't get me. Hey, I got an achievement.
Hey, jump. No, Brandon, what you gotta do, jump and holding onto the wires. She's fucked.
Don't fucking tell him that.
I want to see you go for a swim.
Fine. Nope. Okay, never mind. I thought I could try and get myself back up. And now he's just
Having none of it.
Hey, you guys want to go for a grind again?
Bruh.
No! No! Oh, get out the grinder. Get out the grinder.
Mimo?
Get out the grinder. Come on! Fuck's sake, thank you.
No! I'm in the pink blind.
You're in the cage block! No! Come on! Wow! Luigi!
Oh, that's it. I've had enough of you, Mimo.
No, please, 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 please. Please, please, Alpha, save me. Save me. Please. No. Look at him struggle.
Oh.
My lord, we had no chance.
Yes. Yes, I know this. Fuck, I don't know how to do it though. Wait, how do I do it? How do you bend over?
Crap. Control. Control. Stop hitting me. Control.
Control. Oh, I gotcha.
No, don't poke your head up.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Hey.
No, you don't. You're not killing me. Oh, get back in game. Oh.
Wait. Who's still alive? Mimo? You rat.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Oh.
I'm holding on for dear life right now.
Someone got yeeted. I heard it.
Oh, uh-oh. I'm about to go under. Yep. Yep, there's the
You're
wheel.
going
Alright.
under.
I can't headbutt. It won't let me.
Oh, good to know. Good to know.
No, 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 no!
Come on! Embrace the inner dino!
No, come here.
Eh!
Look at you, you Thunderbolt.
No! Yes!
That shouldn't
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Alpha fell first. How does that count? Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
let's go.
Fire!
Want me some roasted cat and some roasted fox? No! We do not want dino nuggies!
I want Dino Nuggies! Kill him. I want Dino Nuggies.
No dino nuggies! Ah! Get up! Ah.
Your turn. No, 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 no.
You were saying?
No, you.
were
he says.
Oh, that was. Oh. What the fuck? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! No! Oh god.
Oh, this is great.
Can't get me, can't get me. I need to win with my own skills for once.
Oh.
Oh, great. Mimo, come here, come here. Oh. Sound.
Oh.
Mimo.
What?
Let's talk about it. Come here, Alpha.
Oh my god, game! Stop throwing me out the fucking game! Ah!
Oh, I just got knocked.
Bizarre, dude!
Come here, Alpha.
No! Oh my god, game. Oh, I'm so fucking annoyed.
Mimo, come here.
No, 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 no.
Eh.
No, please! No, I'm not letting go of you.
You're
I'm holding
on
on
my
to you. Look how much you're being stretched. No, no, please.
The hair's gonna break sometime.
No! That's a strong beard.
It was.
He lubes it, rub you. Ooh, I wanna grab a fish.
Can you break these things?
Let's try break the glass. I don't think you can. That's sad. I want to break the glass so that the fish is out. Guys, I have a shield for the tent. Oh, it fell down. Is the tentacles even there yet? Not yet.
Oh no.
Oh, they're coming! They're coming! They're coming!
I've got a shield. Alpha, get under the shield.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm just waiting for the tentacles to take one of you.
Alpha's hiding under my shield.
No, no, you fuck off, tentacle. I'll punch you.
We're Gucci. Oh, Alpha. Alpha.
run as fast as you can.
Offer Mimo a sacrifice.
We all know each other.
We all just cleaned each other up.
Uh-oh. It's ready to take one of us.
Take her.
No, no, no. Oh, no, no, take him, take him.
No, no.
Oh, nearly. Take him, take him, take him.
Oh, Alpha. Come
No, 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 no. No, please. 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 Please.
I'm using Mimo as a shield.
I hope he takes you instead. Let me punch him.
The dino is doing what the crocodile hid during the apocalypse.
No, 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 no. You get back here. I'm not being taken by those tentacles today.
No! Tentacle! Leave me alone! Oh, wow.
No, 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 no. Yes, take him. No, not me. No.
Yes, take him! Oh no, that's my crotch!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Rip.
No. Oh, I'm still fighting the tentacle. Oh, okay, I'm drowning now.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. It's truly organic.
Come here, Alpha.
Never.
My god.
Dude, I just
Oh.
I just like king hit you straight out of the ring.